Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Love vlogger kaday. So guys, let's do voiceover. Kaya nga akong igsoon, nagsige na lag pag voiceover na lagi sa imo mga video atilin. So, patumana naton siya today. So, it's my first time to do voiceovers. So, bear with me guys. So, here, I ordered an electric scooter because I decided to use this as my mode of transportation this coming summer here in Canada. So, gidrive test dayon sa inyong inday. Wadyo pa pugong. Excited kayo, bata. Oy. When I went out, it was cold. I think it was +3 plus the wind to make it more colder. Gidrive test na ako siya for almost 2.5 hours, I think. Kay make sure na ko na safe siya, and even if you can see, naradyo ko sa kilid kay nervyosa gud ko sa kalsada. Until now, I'm still not driving. I just drive in the road kung na I designated for biking, pero pag wala, balik ko sa kilid kay mahadlok gud ko. And sa mga wala nakaibaw, what's the reason na wala pa ko nag-drive? As in, nervyosa gud ko. Even though I went to school to learn driving, I practice driving, but for me, it's still, I can't. But who knows in the future, right? So that's all for today I can share. And sorry for my voiceover if it's mix of English and Filipino. Kay di man tag fluent of English. So I just try to mix it. And for those who don't understand, I'm sorry. So guys, thank you for listening and have a good day. Bye.